How does dynamic mixing enhance sealing quality and speed? Speed sealer. When it comes to sealing insulating glass units, precision and homogeneity of the sealing component are essential. Glaston's high-speed sealing robot, Speed Sealer, features a dynamic mixing system to deliver exactly these advantages. Unlike static solution, the dynamic mixer uses a motor-driven mixing tool to actively regulate the mixing speed inside the chamber. This ensures a consistently homogeneous mixture of the two component sealant, regardless of variation in temperature, material batches, or start-stop cycling during application. The system instantly adapts to the required sealing volumes, making high-precision dosing and sealing possible. Thanks to the low system pressure, sealant stress are minimized, ensuring better long-term performance of the IG unit. The self-cleaning flow-optimized mixer design prevents clogging and reduces downtime. It is suitable for all state-of-the-art materials, ensuring fast and economical material changes. The dynamic mixing system not only improves sealing quality, but also optimizes efficiency in several key ways. High application speed up to 60 meters per minute, sealing of up to 200 IG units per hour, automatic dosing based on sealing depth detection, ensuring precise material use. In short, with over 1,000 sealing systems installed worldwide, Glaston's dynamic mixer technology sets a benchmark for sealing quality, process reliability, and overall efficiency in insulating glass production.